Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my Cetaphil Deep Cleansing Bars. If you're looking for a bar that you can use on your face, maybe also on your chest and your back, that's not going to break you out, it's not going to dry you out, it's not going to leave that tight feeling that soap gives you sometimes, try out this bar. This is specifically made to be deep cleansing but yet still gentle on skin. So fragrance free. I have combination to oily skin. My husband has dry skin. We both use this bar and it works great for both of our skin types. I struggle with breakouts, and one thing that really aggravates my skin is not removing all of my makeup from the day before. So I was looking for a soap that would really clean my skin, but that wouldn't break me out or leave my skin dry and tight afterwards. I love this bar.
Okay, so I just want to show you how well this works by showing you all of the different makeup that I use. So concealer, mascara, eyeliner, blush, brow, everything, eyeshadow. I want to show you that, see this Cetaphil bar, once you get it nice and wet, it just takes everything off so easily. Now let me rinse it. I just love how well this cleans. So it's definitely a deep cleanser, but it leaves your skin nice, soft, and refreshed.
It still lathers really well, even though it's not chock full of chemicals. You cannot go wrong with Cetaphil. I mean, this is a great brand. I've loved all the products I've tried from them, and I'm really happy with these deep cleansing bars. But that's just my point of view.